All right, so I got my makeup on. Okay, so anyhow, I'm gonna blow my hair dry. I'm gonna fix it a spiky, spiky pixie. Now, I went by my hairdressers. I don't know what I already put on there or not, but we had a loved one that died in Louisiana, so we had to get on the airplane and take off and go down to Louisiana. And then, of course, when we got back, I lost my phone at the airport. It was just something else, I'll tell you that. I'll have to tell you that story because it's ridiculous. But anyhow, so I'm going to blow my hair dry. Today's Easter, and I'm getting ready for church. So, okay. So here we go.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye.
I told you my hair does better to dry up slowly.
Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know what we had.
Especially this trouble side.
Don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
And since it's so short, I have to use it a little bit smaller. You can see it's that short. And she used a razor. My hair does really good with a razor cut because it's thin. I mean, fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, I wanted it to go this way, you know, as much as I could there. See, it's already kind of spiking by itself. And she asked me if I was wearing my hair in front of my ears or behind them. I said, pretty much behind them. So she cut that a little bit shorter. Okay. Enjoy paste, wax, dry wax. Okay, I get about that much. I'm gonna rub it in. My husband said, now do you rub that in till it gets warm in your hands? I said, yeah, I kind of do. He used to wear hair wax when he wore his hair in a, I think it was called a Princeton haircut back in the day. Hey, look at this spiky going on. Oh yeah, let me put this up so we can. I think that's so fun. Now, maybe I got too much paste. Last time I didn't even put any paste on my bangs at all. The only thing about it is you can piece it out, if they call it piece it out. You can piece it. Okay. I mean, that's just totally fine. I've got to put more makeup up on here. I don't know. See that big red line? Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, so it's not going to exactly stay like this all day unless I'm going to tease it in the crown of my hair so it kind of sticks up. Okay, there we go. All right, so, okay. My glasses are so dirty. Hang on, let me see if it looks good. Not bad. You know, this is my trouble side here. So when it's short like that, it works a little. Oh, this is my trouble side. And when it's short like that, it works a little bit better. Yeah, so. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get that got to be really strong. Hairspray. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, aren't I? Okay, so I'm going to spray some of this got to be. Because it's got to be where it goes. Okay. And you can even push the, you know, the back up like that if you want. It's all in what feels good to you that day, you know. Now see, if I'm not careful, this all just goes back by itself and I blow it forward. So, okay. I did buy some more of this Kenra. It's not totally cheap for sure, but this is the number 25, which is, well, super hold finishing spray. I like this. I do. I like it. Now, we went camping last weekend, and so I left some of my hair products in our van build out. I'll have to show you our van build out. It's way cool. Okay. All right, then. Let's put some earrings on. Here we go. It seems like with this particular lacy outfit with the... what does that look like? What do we think? I think it's okay. Let's see. Got some of the beaded bracelets on. Let's try, maybe I'll try one of these and see what we think. Let's take, I didn't put a little back on this yet, so if I don't put a back on them, even though, okay, let's see, I don't know. Maybe this one looks a little bit more right today. I like them both. But you see this one a little bit more than this one. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to take this one out and hang it up. Okay. I'll put this one in. And well, where's, oh, there it is. There's the back way down there. Okay, like that. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, I don't have lipstick on yet. Let's put some on. Oh boy. My other lip liners didn't come yet. So I found this one. This one is Elf. It's a nice color. It doesn't, it's too far gone to do the color, but you can see it's kind of a mauve-y. Just to keep the lipstick from going up in my old lady lines. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Oh, this one's kind of mauve-y. I don't know. Let's try this. Okay. And this is just an old CoverGirl that used to be my very favorite. It's kind of a real glossy, and I like it. It's, oh, here, 710 CoverGirl, and this is Lime Life. You know, I told you I mix and match everything. Okay, well, let me go to my makeup table and see how I'm doing on my makeup. It seems like because she put so much red in my hair, after I got my makeup all on, I decided, oh, I'm going to put some of that more peachy blush on, but I think I maybe overdid it, so I'm gonna oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna go do that. So anyhow, there you have it. I'm gonna wear spiky hair on Easter today at 70 years old. Yeah? Okay. All right, so if you like this video, don't forget to put thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment. My question to you is, have you ever worn your hair spiky? And I really want to know from some of you, do any of you do crafting at all? Do you do crafts? I was just wondering, and what kind? Do you do paper crafts or sewing or crocheting or knitting or DIYs? Anything. I want to know what crafting you do. But also, what about your spike hairdo, huh? What about the spike hairdo? Okay, all right. I'll talk to y'all, you good people later, okay? You have a super good Easter day, but you'll get this past Easter, but okay? All right. My love to you. God bless you all.